this is a bit of a change of scenery, isn't it? As you can see, I'm no longer in Melbourne. I'm out of Australia for the first time since I went to Borneo in 2019. I'm here in Zermatt, Switzerland for the next 3 days. I'm going to be doing some hiking. I arrived yesterday and just sort of checked out everything. And then today the hiking starts. But not only does the hiking start today, a few days ago, the big trip started. I've been pretty quiet about it. I don't think I've put anything on Instagram or talked about it on my YouTube. But I'm about to spend the next 4.5 months traveling all the way across Europe and the Middle East. So Switzerland is the second destination. I spent a few days in Lake Como before this, just chilling out. But there's going to be a lot of content coming. We're going to be going to some sick places and getting some sick shots. But for now, this video is going to focus on the next few days here in Zermatt. I'm on my first hike at the moment, which is up to the Fluhalp. As you can see, it is just a steep slog through the woods for the first couple of kilometers. And then we're going to be up above the tree line, hopefully getting some cool views over the Matterhorn. It's a little bit cloudy at the moment. It was pretty sunny this morning and a big band of clouds has just come over. So hopefully that clears up when we get up to the top and we can get some amazing mountain views. For now, we're going to keep heading up the trail and yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. You might be able to see behind me, maybe not. It's starting to clear up a little bit, the sun's coming out. The clouds are sort of starting to break. I think by the time I'm up past the tree line, most of these clouds should be cleared, so that should make for some good views. There it is, our first glimpse of the Matterhorn on this hike. Made it to the edge of one of the lakes here. To be honest, I've got no idea of the name. I just keep forgetting names of everything here. I've had I stopped up, where is it? Up there at the Soniga and just cooled off for a bit, put on some sunscreen. And now we're going to continue along the hike. Hopefully see a few more lakes and get towards the Fluhalp. So, almost done, almost at the end of the trail. I can actually see my destination. This has been a crazy hike. At the moment I'm on this last little ridge. Our destination is just there. This is where we're at the moment. Downhill path, super steep and rocky, so hard to film anything, but I mean everywhere you turn you're just getting a good view of the Matterhorn, and now these mountains, I'm not even sure what they're called. Taking me ages. This trail is just intense. 100% the steepest thing I've ever walked down. But this is the final spot where I give you guys an update. There's a big cross here. Nice view over the Zermatt and the Matterhorn. This has been a good start to the Zermatt trip. Really looking forward to the next couple of days of hiking. But yeah, that was the Fluhalp hike. Zermatt. Today we're going to be going up the Edelweissweg trail. So essentially it's the opposite side of the valley to the one we hiked up yesterday. This hike's going to be a lot longer though, it's going to be a bit steeper as well, but hopefully we get some amazing views. It's already looking like an awesome day. Made it to the Edelweiss hut. Still got a while to go though. So I made it to Trift. Had a bit of a rest there. Now I'm just going to keep heading up. We've got about 4 hours until the next hut, so it's going to be a bit of a slog. But yeah, should be alright. I only got one little uphill push to go, and then I'm on the ridge where it should all be flat and downhill, so let's keep going. Views along this part of the trail, just insane. It's hard to not stop everywhere to take photos, but I got to keep shooting along. Almost done with all the uphill, I think. I thought I was, now I've seen another one, so it's got to continue on, but way down from the mountain, having a bit of a rest. So you can't really hear much of what I was saying, but I'm pretty much saying that it's just too windy and too steep to film a lot of shots. Pretty much from here I stopped down at this little river and then continue on the rest of the walk. That hike down from Edelweiss just completely wrecked me. It was so long and tiring, and I just completely underestimated how long it would take me to walk down. It was basically just another sort of 10 kilometers of flat road all the way back into Zermatt, and my legs were pretty sore, feet were pretty blistered. It was actually quite difficult. So I've got no idea when the last update I did was, because I am so tired. I've been just trying to get down this mountain, and I'm now at the little viewpoint of Zermatt. I've only got about 2 kilometers to go, but I'm absolutely wrecked. So I don't know what the third day of hiking is going to be. Might just be something chill. I'm having a look at these cable cars now and thinking I might suss them out. So this hike is tiring, but it's been one of the most rewarding. So it's my third day here in Zermatt. Like I said, I was pretty tired after yesterday, so just had a bit of a sleep in this morning and a bit of a chill out. The plan today is just to take it super easy. I'm going to get a cable cart up to Schwarzsee Lake, and then we're going to hike all the way back down. Should be a really easy, chill day. Just going to take a little bit more time to enjoy everything and just sort of, yeah, relax a bit. Also going to be my first time using the cable cars here, so looking forward to it. We're on the cable car, getting some awesome views up here. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up the Zermatt leg of my solo Switzerland trip. I was pretty tired by the end of it. I was absolutely dead. I think the last day I sat on the train all the way to the next location and was just so tired. Rested the legs for a bit. But I got some great photos, some great videos, some great memories, some great hikes out there in Zermatt. Can definitely recommend that place to pretty much anyone. Some really easy hikes, some really tough hikes, but just a great place all around. But yeah, stay tuned for the next Switzerland videos. There's going to be a few more, as well as some videos from a few other places around Europe coming over the next few months. That pretty much wraps this one up. So until the next one, I'll see you guys then.